Hello friends, I'm pleased to announce a new art project. It's called Sincerity Machine. I've changed the font on a manual typewriter to Comic Sans. One day, I was reading a document with a typewritten font in it, and I realized there was nothing stopping me from making this particular alteration. While making it, I thought a lot about the Comic Sans typeface and how ridiculed it is. But it is also a mark of sincerity for those who do not have graphic design experience. I'm not particularly enamored with this font, but I don't think it deserves the flack it gets. In any case, I hope you enjoyed my message. If you would like to know more, feel free to contact me at the routes listed below. This is not a viral marketing campaign. Thank you for your time.